Hi, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the main characteristics of ancillary markets. Most countries have several variations of ancillary markets to deal with different types of system disturbances. In Australia, the UK, and many other countries around the world, the grid has an alternating current at 50 Hz. Very high frequency can lead to electronic devices exploding, whereas very low can lead to a blackout. To address both these cases, frequency services are generally high, low, or symmetric. It's possible to win contracts in both directions simultaneously, and some markets are symmetric, which means it's always done this way. When frequency is too high, that means supply exceeds demand. And to counteract this, assets import energy to take it off the grid. When frequency is too low, that means there's more demand than there is supply. And to counteract this, assets export, supplying additional energy to the grid. Separating out the two sides allows system operators to contract each direction in different quantities at different prices, and asset operators to be strategic about their frequency commitments. Pricing for high services is especially interesting because as frequency rises, assets are required to take energy off the grid. Batteries or EVs can use this energy to charge, whereas usually they'd need to buy that energy and pay for it. Additionally, markets are categorized as pre- or post-fault. Pre-fault markets deliver much more continuously as an ongoing balancing service. The threshold for responding for assets in these services is a lot closer to frequency. Post-fault markets are designed to be activated when there's a bigger issue, for example, a sudden loss of generation. They are intended as a second line of defense, and we want the energy to be reserved for these extreme cases, so the threshold for when they start responding is usually later. Finally, if we have a complete outage, there are black star ancillary services, which can be used to restore power and restart generation.